In this video, we are going to learn how to create meeting requests on mail. Let's start. I just want to select this mail. Open mail on double click. You can see here in message tab, respond. In the respond, click the meeting box. Click on that. You can see here the meeting request you can create easily. Now you can mention your time of meeting, date of meeting and time also. You can see here room finder also, as you mentioned on calendar also, and you can write the meeting subject and location. That's it. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.